Hey there! Today we're going to be doing the H for Hades. This is the first fill line cake we're going to be doing, so I hope you enjoyed this. Everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this recipe. Start by getting your favorite cake batter. I will leave my recipe down below, and I'm going to dye that black. And then I'm getting my Celebrations cake pan again, and just scooping out my batter. This will bake at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Give it a couple taps and stick it in the oven. And then I'm going to roll out some fondant to make the details. So here I'm rolling out some gray fondant to make the little skull. And I'm carefully just cutting it out with a knife. You can use an X-Acto blade as well for this. Here I'm marking the eyes, and I will be removing that little section and adding in some black fondant. Once you've crumb coat your H, we're going to do our coating on there. So I'm going to go with a light gray and just spread that out on the cake. Once that frosting is smooth, I'm doing a dark gray on a small portion of the H as well. This is going to be his robes. And then I put some of that gray in a piping bag with a number 6 tip and then just made the little details. And then I'm going to roll out some black fondant, and this I'm going to use as his robes. And then that little skull detail we made, I'm going to place it right there as well. And then with the thin offset spatula, I'm going to be spreading this light blue frosting, kind of to represent his hair. And then I got a darker blue and started spreading that around as well. And there's our H for Hades. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a suggestion, put it in the comments down below. If you want to see pictures of all the alphabet letters I've been doing and everything else I make, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep up to date with everything I post. And until next time, stay sweet.